if you didn't turn in a draft, you're going to sit here and start on it. And then I'm going to look at it for you. Okay, you're going to sit here and write it. Okay, so I'm just going to hand these out to people. I'm not making any judgments on, oh, this is a good person to give this person's paper to, or these person are at the same writing level, or anything like that. I'm just going to hand them out. Oh, whoops, but there's something I need to do before that. I'm glad I stopped myself. When you, remember last time I forgot to give you the homework? When you go home and look at your homework, you will see that, like I said, you have two main things to do, Marshad and Cynthia. You need to finish this paper, and I would suggest doing that first. Your concentration is going to be on this paper. Go ahead and finish your paper. Then, like I said, I don't give you any rest between papers. You need to immediately start on the next paper. So then, as you know from what I've been saying, the next paper you do is going to be an essay. So the reading you have for Monday in your book is how to write an essay rather than a paragraph. Now, I know some of you have already written essays. So you have the introduction to this, the introductory paragraph, okay? Because like I said the other day, we're going to move from a topic sentence to a thesis statement. So your homework has to do with thesis statements. What I have done is, it is in this book, it's not in that other book, the way the other one was, but the way the homework is in here, it asks you, what it asks you to do is underline one thing once and underline something else twice. Now they've got another word in here for argument. We've been through dominant impression, point of the story. Now we're talking about controlling idea. So they've got all these different words for it. Okay? Because you obviously are not going to be underlining in your book, okay, what I'm handing out is that same exercise on a piece of paper so that you can underline and circle. There's something else you have to circle. So this is in your book. You need to read. Please do not try to do this without reading the stuff in your book first. You will be totally lost. Read the information in your book, then do this. Oh, that's right, there's another person there. Okay. And then we will talk about this in class, but only start on this after you have finished your paper. This is just the stuff in the book, copying on the paper so you don't have to write in the book. Okay, now, some of these, for some reason, are on 2 sheets and some are linked together the same thing. It's just that I think some old ones got copied on the single side. So you're all getting the same thing. Okay, so that's your homework, yes.
I wanted to double check with you. You said the first thing to finish our paper is that the narrative?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the paper that's due on
Just making sure.
Tuesday. Okay. All right, so now we're going to hand out papers. Let me get these out first so you guys have them to get started. Okay, whoops. So here's your peer reviews. Again, they've had trouble with the paper in the office. Some of these are on one color and some of them are on the other. So this is your peer review. Look this over so you know what you're looking for. One thing I am asking both you and both the writer and the reviewer. Oh, that's not right. Oh, no, it didn't get printed. That's yours. Okay. I'm trying to do it. The people in the copying office are not. Okay. Good, everybody good. Okay, one thing I am asking both the reviewer and the writer to do now is this. Please, again, we're back to reading directions. What is the writer's topic sentence? Underline it, okay? I'm going to ask you, when you see your self-edit, I'm going to ask you to underline it on your paper. Maybe I'll give you this. Okay, never mind. We'll do that when we start the essays. But think in terms of either underlining it or writing it out. Probably easier to underline, okay? Here's your, so that's the peer review, and here's the self-edit. I think, because we looked at everybody's topic sentence on the board, I think you guys are all in good shape with your topic sentences. That shouldn't be a problem. I'm giving these out to you. So now I'm going to hand out papers. Okay, so same thing. We're going to look this over. And then, no, I know you're going to review.